Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you my highly anticipated Cartier triple reveal video. So I'm going to share with you 3 pieces that I purchased from Cartier, the Cartier Collins Street boutique. I purchased them over the span of months and months and months. So here are the shopper bags that I got. It is so heavy. I have 4 shopper bags here. I'm going to go through, the first one to the last one. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so my first purchase came in this shopper bag. It comes with a ribbon as well, and I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside. I'll just take everything out. So the first item that you get is a cleaning kit, and you get this little liquid cleaner with a brush. Next, I've got my purchase receipt, and all my purchases have been from my fabulous CA AJ. So if you're ever in the Collins Street boutique, go in and see him. He is so lovely and so gorgeous, and comes with this gorgeous travel pouch. And these travel pouches are fantastic for putting your bracelets in or your watches. And in here, they also come with like 2 slip pockets at the back. Also comes with the certificate of authenticity, which comes in this hardcover cover. And yeah, so it's got your like little details there, and then it came wrapped beautifully. It's like a love letter, right? And I've wrapped it back up for this video. And when you take this off, you get the gorgeous big box. I love Cartier packaging. All right, revealing to you my first purchase. Ta-da! What I have here is the Cartier Juste, Clou, and I got this one in the yellow gold. And the reason why I got this one was because Cartier was phasing out the old closing mechanisms for the Juste Clous. And you guys know that I have the diamond tip Juste Clou with the old closing mechanism. My CA didn't have the old Clou closing mechanism in my size, and so he had to source it from another country, and I believe this one came from Singapore, and it took about 3 weeks for him to get this in, and so I had to pay half deposit and then the other half when I went to pick this up. And this one cost $9,550. The reason why I chose yellow gold was because growing up I've always worn yellow gold, and I thought it was quite easy to match with things. Just never came across my mind to purchase one in a different color. So I also went with the same size. I got the size 17. So with my love, I wear size 18, and then for Juste Clou, I went down a size. What you do is you just press down and release, and it's got that number 8 sort of opening there. It won't like just flip open. How cute, right? It's very, very pretty. So this one is my first purchase, which is the Cartier Juste Clou in the 18 karat yellow gold in the size 17, and I got the plain version. Okay, I'm going to share with you my next purchase, which came in these 2 shopper bags. I'm going to go through this shopper bag first. I'll share with you my first gift that I got, which I got quite recently. This one was for my birthday from the gorgeous AJ and Jenny from Collins. Hello! It comes in this gorgeous box, and when you open it up, I've got this panther candle, red candle with the gold detailing, and on the back there it says Cartier. So this candle comes with a card, and it says that it is the panther motif scented candle. Maison Cartier is pleased to present you with this candle designed to celebrate the bond between us. My gorgeous AJ gave me these red pockets. So one with a bronze and then one with a gold. This gorgeous detailing. Stunning, right? Now I'm going to share with you the purchase that I got in this shopper bag. A quick squiz. So the first thing that I got is this really heavy, thick booklet, and this one is all about watchmaking and the different types of watches that they have. Maybe something to consider for my next purchase. And then in here I've got my receipt, I've got my authenticity card, and this one has the hardcover book, Cartier on the front and the back. Doesn't have the border on it this time. They have 2 types, one with a border and one without. Also with my purchase, I got this gorgeous Cartier bookmark. It's like a little page marker. I'll give you a quick zoom in there. And then moving on to this box, take it out, and then I've got this gorgeous box. Can you guys guess what I got? All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! I have got the gorgeous Cartier Love Bracelet. This time I went with the pink gold, and I also got it in the size 18, and I went with a classic Love bracelet. Before I made my two purchases, that is my first two purchases ever from Cartier, I was originally wanting to purchase the classic Love bracelet. That one was the one that I was drawn to the most, and I don't know, for some reason on that day I tried on the diamond ones. I'm like, you know what, I might like diamonds in the future. And you know, I watched like a YouTube video where this lady said that you know, just go for the one with the diamonds, and I thought, yeah, later down the track I might like the ones with the diamonds. But you don't know until you buy it and then you bring it home and you wear it for a few weeks and a few months, and then you realize, oh, I should have just gone with the one that made my heart sing in the first place, which was just the classic Love bracelet, plain, no diamonds. So after purchasing this one, I was like, I wasn't really sure about my stack. So anyway, I thought I'd go with the classic Love bracelet in pink gold. What originally happened was the Juste Cartier boutique had just opened for about 2 months, and then I popped by to have a look, and then I tried on two bracelets, which was the plain yellow gold and the 10 diamond in pink gold. And because you already have the 4 diamond, go one without diamonds. And so I purchased the yellow gold plain Love bracelet. You know, every purchase, especially when it comes to fine jewelry, it's a big purchase, it's a splurge. I just felt like my purchase wasn't magical, and then about a week later I went to exchange it for a credit note because they don't do refunds unless you purchase it from the online boutique. I didn't know what to do with a credit note because a credit note only lasts for about 12 months, and so I was umming and ahhing over getting something in pink gold because I was sort of over yellow gold at the time, because you know, I've been wearing yellow gold my whole life. So that's why I was thinking, should I get the Love bracelet, just the classic one, in pink gold, or should I go with the pink gold 10 diamonds? I was just tossing up between those two. As you do, you go onto Instagram, you know, I searched up the hashtag Cartier Love bracelet, Cartier Love, and the one that made my heart sing the most was the classic Love bracelet. You know, it should have been my very first purchase. I was searching up between pink gold, yellow gold, like which one looks nice in my skin tone, which one do I love more. You know, Cartier's yellow gold is very luminous and it's very beautiful, but I just wanted something a little different and a little bit more mysterious, a little bit feminine, a little bit more softer. So I thought I'd just go with the pink gold, and that's what I just did. Yeah, I originally went for the yellow gold, but I'm so glad that I went for the pink gold. It took me about 14 to 15 months from the time that I got my credit note, and my credit note expired, but my sales associate extended it another 2 times. It gave me more time to think, like, is this like a forever piece? The thing with the pink gold is because at the time, for about 12 months, I hadn't seen anyone with pink gold Love or pink gold Cartier jewelry, so I didn't know what it looked like. I mean, in the boutiques, the lighting in the boutique is a little bit different, and especially because the pieces in the boutique are high shine finish, it's brand new, doesn't have scratches on it. I wanted to see pink gold in natural daylight. Like, the credit note expired, and then within the next 3 months I saw about 3 girls with the pink gold Love bracelet, and I fell in love, and it's so elegant. So one chick I saw while she was waiting in line at Chanel, she had the 4 diamond Love bracelet on, just wearing it by itself. Not that I love the diamonds on it, but I just love that pink hue. It was very soft and elegant. So I was like, wow, that's really pretty. And then when I was traveling to, I went to Singapore, or I went somewhere, I saw a girl in duty free, and she was like traveling through the airport, and she had like a plain pink gold Love bracelet, and oh, it just looks so pretty, very stunning. And another time I saw another girl when she was lining up at Hermes. We were at the counter to pay for something, and she was standing right next to me, and she also had a plain gold pink Love bracelet. She stacked it with a sweet lumber bracelet, and it looks so pretty together because pink gold is quite popular, especially in my size. My sales associate sold out for a number of weeks. I think it took him about 5 weeks to get this piece in, because they had 2 pieces in Juste and they had 2 pieces at the Collins Street boutique, but all of them had scratches on them, and I wanted like a store fresh piece. I'll probably start fresh with just the pink gold Love bracelet, just to wear it, see how it goes, get some scratches on it, have a feel for it. So I'm going to wear it on its own. The price of the pink gold Love bracelet is $8,800, and it has since gone up to, I think it was a $9,400 or something like that. So it's in the 9s. It's nearly 10. it's too expensive now, so I'm really glad to finally add this one to my collection. So yeah, anyway, that is my second purchase. All right, now moving on to my last and final purchase, which comes in this gorgeous shopper bag here. Comes with a gorgeous ribbon. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of what's inside. The first item that I got, my receipt. And inside here I've got the authenticity card, and this one comes with the hardcover case. So all these three pieces are made in Switzerland, and then I've got my receipt just here. And it also came with this absolutely gorgeous little champagne bottle. This one's really delicious, so if you ever do go into a Cartier boutique, do ask for some champagne, and they use this champagne. It's delicious. Moving on to this, love this packaging. And I'll take this out. Can you guys guess what it is? You're gonna think I'm crazy, but I can explain. All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! This is the Cartier Juste Clou, and I got this one in the size 17, and I got this one in pink gold. I thought because I got the Love bracelet in pink gold, I needed like a Juste Clou to match, and because the price increase was going to be very soon, this one cost $9,550. It was going to increase by 7%. This one is the one with the new clasp. I'll just take this out. Oh, this is so stunning, you guys. So what you do is you press underneath and you release, and it's got this little hook here which holds the bracelet into place, and it's quite secure. I've heard one story where I think someone's bracelet got caught into something, and then their Juste Clou just flipped open, and it's with the new opening and closing mechanism. I only saw that video recently, but I originally requested if my sales associate had this particular piece with the old closing mechanism, which he would have to do a special order from, or he'd have to source from other different countries, but I couldn't wait. I just picked this up in a way before the pricing, because it was a day before the price increase. When I made this purchase, AJ was like, is this your third Juste Clou? And I was like, yeah, it is. I'm just gonna try this on for you. 3 clues, are you kidding me? Okay, what am I gonna do? So this is all 3 clues worn together. You've got the yellow gold, pink gold, yellow gold with diamonds. It's the first time that I'm wearing all 3 in one go, but you can see how soft and feminine the pink gold one looks. The yellow gold is gorgeous. They look really nice stacked together as well. This is crazy. When you think about it, I actually didn't realize this, but these pieces are so industrial. You've got the nail, and then you've got the screw motif on the Love, whereas Van Cleef & Arpels is whimsical, elegant, feminine, soft. Yeah, but I love that take on like hard versus soft. I love that. I would love to know your thoughts on the Juste Clou and the Love bracelet. What are your thoughts on it? And what are your thoughts on pink gold versus yellow gold? Are you a mix and match type of person? Are you more of a white gold, a pink gold, or a yellow gold? Or do you love them all? Personally, with me, because I've grown up with yellow gold my whole life, I just felt like it wasn't special anymore. And especially because yellow gold it's gaining like a lot of popularity, especially because of Instagram. A lot of Instagram influencers are wearing like yellow gold layering and yellow gold everything. I just felt like it's a time that I go for something a little bit different, especially with fine jewelry. I find that pink gold is very elegant. So that's a wrap for my Cartier triple reveal video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was highly anticipated. I also wanted to share with you that but next week I'm getting laser eye corrective surgery, and a day before my laser eye corrective surgery I'm also getting traditional braces in. So I will be without videos for about 2 weeks. Depends on how long it takes for me to recover. So I just wanted to share with you guys that. I'm quite scared. You know, I've always wanted to get braces in, but because I have overcrowding and I will have to get 1 tooth removed, I'm petrified, you guys. That's why I've been putting it off for so long. Enough of me rambling. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video.